Honorable President of the Majlis, Honorable teachers, Honorable guests and my dear colleague, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Respected listener, today I am going to present some topic about the sacrifice of scholars and freedom movement and this British assembly. Dear audience, in the subcontinent the scholars have made enormous sacrifices in liberating the country from oppression and slavery of British imperialism with education and learning. Scholars give the call for freedom at a time when people were generally in the deep of neglect, unable to understand the need in reporting of freedom and devoid of the feeling of slavery. Respected listener, in the War of Independence, Muslim and especially the scholar were the target of oppression by the British because the scholar had given a fatwa for jihad against them, and 200,000 Muslims were martyred in this war. Among them there were 51,000 scholars, 500 scholars were hanged in Delhi along, and sometimes scholars burnt alive. Respected listener, scholars have always watered this garden with their blood and sweat. It is our responsibility to get familiar with the history of Mujahideen scholars and make the impression of their lives a guiding principle for you. I thank you all. Wassalam.